So I've got my carrots and my apples in here. Just to show you an example, here is chicken neck. So chicken neck has got the vertebrae bones in there. I'm just going to pop the chicken neck right into my grinder, and I'm going to turn the grinder on. And you can see it pushing out the pieces of chicken neck. So I'm just going to clean this off a little bit. So I can stir up the concoction here. It's a little bit watery, that's from the apple. Stir it, mix it up. And this is what I was mentioning earlier about making sure that you grate or grind your carrot. This is going to be easy for a dog to digest. Dogs have very short digestive tracts, and the food does not spend a lot of time in there, so it needs to be fairly grated up. This is similar to something that they might find in the stomach of a prey. If they were eating a deer or a wild animal, of course a deer wouldn't have chicken meat in it, but this type of ground carrot and apple would be in there. What you can do with this is you could actually serve a spoonful of this mixed in with another food that you've made. You could give this with a little bit of egg, or you could make this just a small meal. You could just feed this directly to your dog. That would be feeding it raw, it wouldn't be cooked, but you certainly could add this into something you're going to cook as well. So here's an example. This is actually some ground beef organ meat that I already ground before. I've got it stored in this glass container here, and this is actually a mixture of beef heart, liver, and kidney, and you can see it's all ground up here. If you this is a large amount, so what I would do is I would take a small amount out, put it into smaller packages, and freeze it. But this is an example of a pure meat ground concoction, whereas this one has got our vegetables mixed in with it.